When your project demands the best waste management solutions, there's only one name you need to remember. Rock Creek Containers. Offering premier dumpster rental in Greer, South Carolina, we are your go-to for reliability, efficiency, and unparalleled customer service. From small home renovations to large construction projects, our dumpsters are designed to accommodate all types of debris, ensuring your site stays clean and safe. Rock Creek Containers is more than just dumpsters. We're your partner in creating cleaner, more sustainable communities. We make it a priority to provide high-quality, budget-friendly dumpster rental in Greer, South Carolina options. Our knowledgeable team ensures the container you select will handle your disposal needs efficiently and cost-effectively. And when you're done, a simple call is all it takes. We'll promptly haul it away, making your rental experience seamless and worry-free. Listen to the stories of our satisfied customers. Your project deserves the best. We're here to deliver just that. With a simple call to 828-692-9017, you can have the perfect dumpster delivered to your site hassle-free. Or visit us online at www.rockcreekcontainers.com Dumpster Rental Greer SC to explore our options and find the ideal solution tailored to your project's specific needs. Rock Creek Containers is where quality service and convenience meet. Let us be your partner in keeping Greer, South Carolina, clean and clutter-free.